Okay, the first part of this, we're going to go ahead and go back into those storage reports.
Right, yeah.
And unfortunately, I can't show you two screens right at the moment.
I don't think that happened.
So the first one I need is the rent roll. And we are going to have to go down and find.
Rent roll. Rent roll.
I have everybody's up here on one, but you won't have this many. And I'll go and extract these later on, but what was that?
Yes. Screw that, just give me this key.
We may be getting there.
Honestly, I just got done right now. It ain't speaking right now. It ain't for me.
Well, I'm not going anywhere. I mean,
I know,
we knew this would not be like a 5-minute deal.
I guess long as this is kind of an introductory thing, but I think we're gonna need a lot more checklists, maybe written directions, because if I go back and review these recordings, I'm gonna get lost without the visual. I mean, well,
I think,
it's with the visual, but
yeah, I think it is, but that's okay. I mean, this is just more or less, these are the steps we're going to do, but we're going to go over these. It's not, I'm not going to throw you out there and say you're on your own. I'm just unable to do these all by myself anymore. Am I in the right? Okay. Okay, here's the end of it. These numbers right here, and only because I know this is the prepaid rent. Now, not that I can read that.
6,924.
Okay,
we're looking
prepaid,
for the prepaid rent.
right? This column is the prepaid, and this is the AR, which is rent due, and I can't read that one either. Can you read that one?
$487.01.
Okay. If there's security deposit, it's in this column right here, but there's no security deposit on this facility, so we are going to go back to the journal entry. And up here, where we put this first line is what we got off the GL.
Mm-hmm.
So this line right here is off the rent roll. So the current balance for the prepaids are a negative 69.24. So it's going to calculate what entry you need to make. Then the past due is 487.01, and it's going to tell you what that entry is too. These entries actually hop down to the bottom here, and these change too. So sometimes it's a debit and sometimes it's a credit. Right now, last month it was a credit, so we're just going to delete that and do a plus. That number right there. But it tells you right here whether it's going to be a debit or a credit. So now you've got those two numbers. You're going to go back to the storage reports and pull up the management summaries.
You want to stop here before we get into the management summary part?